ever planted a plant and realised that the planting hole is actually too small, and then you have to take the plant back out of the hole, take a bit more soil out, etc. It gets a bit boring. So what I do is take the plant pot off the plant root ball, place it in the hole, and then you can check. Now, the plant really wants to be sat at the same level it was in the pot. So basically that means the top of the pot needs to be the same level as the top of the soil. So I just need to take a bit more out of there. Once that pot's now at the right level, I'm going to water that hole, and the reason for that is because it's so dry.